Tatting my people, YouTube family. Decided to come outside today for this unboxing. This chilling. Shit, misting out here, raining and stuff. Ugly day. Anyways, y'all don't want to hear about that. Y'all want to see some shoes. Love to come at you with some shoes on the channel. This was an alley-oop.
There goes the lob. Nichols on the pass. And there goes a 6'1" guard.
That was corny as hell, but it was an alley-oop from me and my kicks. Check out his YouTube channel. Brother got the best shoe reviews, details and stuff in the game. But subscribe to his page, man. He hit me up with the alley-oop, man. Hit me up, let me know in a group. These shoes were going for super low. And I guess they ain't had his size or whatever, I don't know, but they were my size. So shit, I had to jump on them. This is something I've been had my eye on. I wanted them real bad when they came out, but then after a while I was like, not worried about them. Cause like, it looked like they were hyped whenever they first came, but then the hype died out. But I always had them in the back of my mind. So, yes sir. Shit. This seller, he did a good job with packaging. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, man. Shit, you wrapped them, boxed them, had some extra paper in them, make sure it didn't move around. So these are, see what that is? This is actually a woman's shoe. Question me, Teyana Taylor, women's, but it's 11.5, so that means it's a 10 in men. And let's get into this. Lucky I'm part of the small shoe committee. That don't even sound right. A 10 ain't that small. But yes sir. Yes sir. Shit. Man, they still got some of the tags and stuff. Got the Hexalite. A little tag. Shit. These, man, basically brand new. Shit. Look like you see them. That's them Teyana Taylors. You know who Teyana Taylor is. I'll give you a reminder. Let me show you real quick. Back to the video. But see that, if you keep up with me, you know my favorite player of all time is none other than the answer, Allen Iverson. So these are her rendition. No, last year. Was it last year? Yeah, last year. Man, they came out with a million questions. They came out with a question a month, I think. They had all kind of different ones. These right here. And I got some all red. I got some all red kicks on today, man. So, and these ship fast as hell. Cause it's Tuesday. I think I bought these like Sunday afternoon or something. Then got them Tuesday. But anyways, get to the shoe. Give you like a quick little rundown of it. Got this upper. I don't know what this upper is. Is it like ostrich or something? I don't know. It got like a little design, so I don't want to say it's like a leather or something. It got a different kind of design right there, a different texture. So maybe there's like some ostrich skin or something. I don't know, but maybe not, cause like I'm pretty sure this is leather right here, and it has that same kind of thing. It's like scales, like scales. You know, how LeBron 15s has the dragon knit or whatever, that battle knit. It's kind of like scales, but it's not knit. But that's a good little touch. It's not nothing too special with the shoe. They got their leather in the back, and got the question. She doesn't put anything special on here in the back. In the back, it has the threes. It has the threes on each shoe. see what on the eyelets. Just has a Reebok signs. Has a Reebok signs. I'm trying to see if it says. It don't look like it. Or it might be light. I don't know. Cause you know usually it has like the Reebok sign on one side, a Reebok on the other side. I don't really see nothing on I don't know. It looked like something underneath, but you can't really tell. But anyways, got the Hexalite technology. That's the old school, man. 96, this was state of the art. I mean, back when I was playing, shit, 96, I was getting into my prime. And shit, I was running, jumping. Hey, I was killing people in these. So, nice squishy and soft the inside, man. This is one of my most comfortable shoes, like back in the days. Like nowadays they're boost and knit and all this. So now the shoes are way lighter, but back at this point, these shoes right here were the ones. Love these. Got that clear, not that clear, that blue bottom on them. So it's red with the blue bottom. They could just put the bottom red too. Could have been some red bottoms. Anyways, shit, I guess I do a little on foot for you. And that'll be the video right there, man. Shit. Appreciate you, me and my kicks, and whoever sold the kicks or whatever, man. I thank you. I never said, man, I bought these for $35. Basically brand new. Come up. That's a come up. This is my 4th pair of questions in the collection. I have Teyana Taylor's, the white and blue ones. I have the pump ones. And I got the bad news ones, like the ones with the newspaper print on them, the good and bad. I got those. I had other pairs too. I had so many pair of Iversons, but my grandma threw them all away. I left for college back in the days and left them, and they were beat up, but I still was keeping them, but she threw them all away. But I used to have every Iverson. But anyways, on to the on foot.
Got your body swerving. I'm trying to slow down cause the body curves is making me want to bring it like bottle service. That whoop whoop got you nervous. Come on, P.
You might think I'm crazy, but I'm serious. I think it's best that you know now that when I'm with you, boy, I get this feeling, and I don't want to slow down. It's so unusual. Doctor can't prescribe cause nothing more is you. Oh, so damn beautiful. Distracted behind the wheel, way you lose control. For you, you make me wanna ride.
Lit something light today, but was at one point this was in the grail list, but it kind of fell off the grail list. But happy that I got to get my hands on these. Shit, shout out me and my kicks once again. Shit, holla at your boy, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest or the most hated. Love to do my shoes and stuff, man. But you know, the channel got something for little something for everybody. Shit, got my reviews of the movies, Netflix, the TV shows, the music. All kind of stuff, man. It's just, I'm trying to find my niche. Shit, got some cologne coming in, so gonna review that. But man, hit that like, comment, subscribe, the bell. Let the channel grow. Holla at you. Peace out.